this video, I'll show you how to connect your LG Smart TV to the internet from your cell phone. Alright, it's really easy. Take your smartphone and go into Connections. Press on this. Now you need to find Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Maybe yours is just Mobile Hotspot. Click on it. Now you'll need to activate the Mobile Hotspot. Click the small toggle. Great. Click on Mobile Hotspot. And now you'll have all the information of your cell phone. Here's the name of it. You need to remember it. You can also change it if you want, but let's just keep it this way. And you'll have a password that you need to type yourself. You need to decide what will be the password. Mine is Hello YouTube, just for this purpose. You're done. You can put this phone away. We won't need it. Now you'll take your remote control and press this small button right here, the small wheel. You see it? Press it once. Alright. Now on your right there will be a menu. You need to scroll down to the last option right there. Let's go. Press OK when you're on it. A new menu will pop up on the left. Scroll down to Network right there. Then right arrow. And you need to go down to Wi-Fi connection. Press OK. Now the list of Wi-Fi network appear. You should wait a few seconds and the list of all the Wi-Fi networks should be right there. If you remember right, my phone was this one. Yours is probably named something different. This is why you need to check on your phone before doing everything. Press OK. And now they will ask for the password. If you remember, mine was Hello YouTube. So you'll need to type it using those characters and the arrows keys on your remote control. Here we go. So now we need to click on this connect button. Go up and select connect. Press the OK button when you're on it. The small animation should pop up, and when it's done, there'll be a check mark on the left. So this is it. Now you can use any apps and connect to the internet. You know, you can go on YouTube, Netflix, whatever. It will use the internet on your phone to work. Thanks for watching.